Okay, so hey guys, it's me Anirban back here with the third episode of Tech News on my channel. If you haven't watched my previous two videos, then you will find the link in the description down below. You guys can check it out. Okay, so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. It is heard that Google will soon be launching its latest Google Nest Wi-Fi's. As we all know that the Wi-Fi's that we use in our home has a specific bandwidth, that is the specific area that it covers, but Google is now coming up with a latest technology that they are calling the Nest Wi-Fi's, and using it you will get a more area, and it will cover a more area, and the connection speed and the connectivity of the other devices will be much more faster. Okay, so most of us got the iOS 14 update or the iOS 14.5 update in our devices that we use, that is the iOS devices, and it is a rumor kind of thing that came out that iOS 15 will soon be launched, and which indicates that the Apple will soon be launching its iPhone 13 as well, and the iPhone 13 will be coming with the iOS 15 update. And those of you who have updated their iOS devices to iOS 14 or iOS 14.5 can also get this update, that is the iOS 15 update. It's actually a rumor, but it might be possible that within this year only Apple will be launching its iOS 15 update as well as the iPhone 13 as well. As we all know that Tesla is a brand which creates electric cars, and we all know that electric cars are made because so that it will help us to save natural resources, the fuels, etc. But latest information that came out, that scientists have found that the electric cars that the other companies are manufacturing will use a double amount of natural resources than the cars that uses fuel and diesel, and it is a very much surprising fact for all of us, but let's see what comes out. It is heard that Sony will soon be partnering with Nike once again to make the latest sneakers, that is the Nike sneakers which most of us use, but this would be a little bit different because actually Sony has partnered with Nike so that Nike can come up with a new sneaker that will have a white outside color and the borders will be of blue color, that is it is more or less like the gaming consoles, that is the PlayStation 5, and it would be much similar with that, and it has been not confirmed yet, but it will be soon be released in this year only, and those of you who are interested in buying those kind of shoes can also keep and watch on these items also. Ryzen will soon be launching its latest processor, that is the AMD Zen 5. It is heard that this can be launched within this year only, and it is also heard that Intel will be facing some major challenges to compete this processor, as apart from this processor, that is the Ryzen processor, there are other brands also like the Apple M1 processor, which can be a great challenge for Intel to overcome their features also. And also for them a new challenge came, that is the Ryzen will soon be launching its AMD Zen 5. Let's see who wins this race, and let us see which provider can give us a more better specs. So hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are interested in this kind of tech news, and thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.